Are you afraid of being left behind? Well, all of this new AI technology that is happening around us, are you afraid that you're too old school to learn? You're feeling overwhelmed and kind of a little lost in the world that you're living in today? If you are, this is the video for you, because that's what we're going to be talking about today. But first, I'd like to introduce myself. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm Darlene, and this is Darlene's Retired Life. And so it's about my retired life. And on this channel, we talk about things in general that have to do with retirement, as well as my retired life as a YouTube content creator. And if that is what you are thinking about doing, or that maybe you already are a content creator, then I can probably help you out a little bit with what I've learned from being a content creator and a YouTube partner for about 2 years now. And we can grow our channel together. So it's a combination of those things. With that being said, that includes AI a lot. And it also includes being a little tech savvy when it comes to like some editing software and creating thumbnails and all that sort of thing. But let's say that you're not even into this YouTube thing and you don't want to be a content creator, but AI is starting to take over everything. I mean, you see it on TV, the commercials. Most of the time that you're not even seeing a real person anymore. You are seeing these AI images of these people, these avatars, and sometimes you can tell, sometimes you can't. So you don't know what's real anymore. It's like being delusional almost, because you can't tell the difference between what's reality and what's not. So it's kind of scary. Okay, so let's use my sister, for example. She's in her 80s and she's very old school, and she knows nothing about computers, and she knows nothing about smartphones and smart TVs and all of that stuff, nor does she want to learn. And I keep telling her that if you don't learn the things that you're using now, like she has a flip phone, they're going to become obsolete, and you're not going to have a choice but to purchase the other ones. And you're going to feel so lost because you have no clue. So my advice would be, as these things are happening, embrace them and learn what they are all about, and kind of like glide your way into the new age, just like we did when we were younger. I mean, I was born in the 60s. So in the 70s and the 80s and the 90s, everything was constantly switching. It went from vinyl albums to cassette tapes to DVDs, and we had to just ride the wave and go with it because those other things were obsolete, right? And then it went from just regular TV to it was antenna TV, to cable TV, to VCRs, and then to DVDs. Oh, I said DVDs back when I was talking about the music, and I meant CDs. TVs are DVDs. And then it went from DVDs to DVRs, and now the smart TVs. If you don't hop on board, you're going to be left behind. So this this AI thing. Let's jump into talking about YouTube just for a minute. If you are thinking about becoming a YouTube content creator, or you already are one, and you're starting to feel overwhelmed because AI is taking over, it can be helpful. If you have ideas, it can save you a lot of time in research. It can break down your ideas that you feed into the AI software. It can break it down into bullet points for you. It can help you to create courses if that's something that you want to do, and you want to teach things that you are also teaching on YouTube. It can help you with a lot of things, but you have to be careful because viewers still want people to be their authentic selves. That's very, very, very important in this AI world. I say a lot of ums, I make certain gestures. You can tell by looking at my eyes and my mouth as I'm talking that I'm not AI. I'm scratching my head, picking my nose, taking something out of my teeth. I'm not AI. I'm real. I'm me, okay? And that is very important because I'm not this fake person that is sitting here and talking to you and giving you advice and you're going, why should I take advice from you? You're not even real. Okay. And how can we develop a relationship if I'm not real? Stay real. Stay yourself. Stay authentic. Real is so important. So in one hand, embrace AI technology as the world is evolving. At the same time, don't lose yourself, okay? There's a fine line between the two. And I want you to make sure that no matter what you do, is you do not replace yourself with this AI stuff. Use it to make your life easier, but don't replace yourself. Don't lose yourself in AI. Keep it real and keep it authentic. If you have been intimidated by AI, please let me know in the comments below. If you can't tell the difference between what's real and what's not real, comment that below. Let me know what your thoughts are on this. And if you have found this video to be helpful in any way, then please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And until the next video, bye.